Put cinnamon on a paper towel and you will be surprised by the result. After I learned this, I never had this problem in my house again. I bet you never thought of using paper towels this way before. But when you find out what it's for, you'll definitely rush to try it at home too. So to start this simple hack, first we're going to need a roll of paper towels. Actually, we're only going to use one sheet. So take one and try to make it as flat as possible. Do it like this, passing your hand until the paper is well stretched. After this, now we're going to use ground cinnamon. But before adding the cinnamon, you need to keep it away from the edge of the paper. For this, just measure the distance of 2 fingers, and then put some cinnamon in the middle. Leave it like a straight line, like so. Next, we're also going to need bay leaves. Crush some bay leaves with your hands and spread them over the ground cinnamon. And look, this is how it's going to look like. All you need to do now is roll it up carefully. It is very important to fold all the paper exactly the way I am doing it. And I imagine you are curious, wondering what this is for. I'm going to show you and you guys will be amazed. So it's going to look like this. Now to finish, let's use some toothpaste. Just take a little with your fingers and then spread it all over the paper. And here I'm using this colored one, but feel free to use whatever you got at home. After this, just put it in a container and it will be ready. Now just light one of the ends. And it does not need to be in flames, just smoldering. Because what we need is just this faint smoke. And folks, what we just made is a powerful homemade repellent. That's right. Cinnamon is a strong insect repellent due to its penetrating aroma, which will help to repel all kinds of insects, such as mosquitoes, gnats, bees, wasps, cockroaches, and even some types of spiders. When you burn bay leaves, the active compounds present in them are released, which will provide you with a very relaxing sensation. And the function of the toothpaste is to slightly inhibit the smell of burnt paper. This tip is simply fantastic. It's like a very powerful incense, capable of perfuming your house and also repelling unwanted insects. It is widely used in farms and rural areas, as these places tend to have a lot of insects. And it will surely solve your problem, especially with mosquitoes and gnats that keep showing up. So don't forget to give it a try at home. You'll definitely love the results. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.